हेलो स्टूडेंट, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल श्री राधे कृष्ण। आज स्टूडेंट हम एस आई प्रीफिक्स की बात करेंगे। एस आई प्रीफिक्स। सो वी नो दैट द मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज वेरी over a wide range. We talk of separation between the protons inside a nucleus, which is about 10 to the power minus 15 meter, and the distance of a quasar from the Earth, which is about 10 to the power 26 meter. The mass of an electron is 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kilogram. That of our galaxy is about 2.2 into 10 to the power 41 kilogram. This or the CGPM recommended standard prefix for certain power of 10. ओके स्टूडेंट, इसको रिकमेंड किया था CGPM, जैसा कि हम पहले पढ़ चुके हैं। CGPM मीन्स द बॉडी कॉन्फ्रेंस जनरल डे प्रोपोइट्स एट measure. Okay student, this is the full form for CGPM. So we write here what is SI prefixes. We know that the magnitudes of physical quantity vary over a wide range. Okay, we talk about we talk of separation between two protons inside a nucleus is equal to 10 to the power minus 15 meter, and distance quasar from the Earth is about 10 to the power 26 meter. The mass of electron 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg. The mass of galaxy almostly 2.2 into 10 to the power 41 kg. This is almostly R. Okay, now the CGPM recommended standard prefix for certain power of 10. Power of 10. There are some prefixes. It means power of 10. Here is power of 10 and prefix and symbols for this. 18. If power of 10 positive 18, so this is called exa. It is denoted by capital E. 15 positive 15, this is called peta, and denoted by capital P. And 12 tera, and this is capital T. And 9 giga, capital G, capital G. Now power 6 mega, capital M. And now 3 kilo, small k, not a capital K. 2 hecto, small h. And now 1 deca, small d. Raj, small here, these are capital. And these symbols are small. And now negative. Now negative, student, these are positive. And now negative, we move further. So minus 1 here, deci. This is denoted by small d, and this is deca, denoted by da. And now minus 2 centi, this is denoted by small c. Minus 3 milli, denoted by small m. And minus 6 micro, this is denoted by mu. Minus 9 nano, denoted by small n. Minus 12 pico, denoted by small p. Minus 15 femto, denoted by small f. Minus 18 atto, denoted by small a. So student, these are prefixes. We know that. Okay, now definition of base unit. Definition of base unit here. Definition of base units. For any standard unit should have the following two properties. There are two properties for this. One is invariability, second is availability for any standard unit. Invariability, and second property is availability. Second is availability. There are two properties for any standard unit should have any standard unit. Okay, invariability means the standard unit must be invariable, thus defining distance between the tip of a middle finger and the elbow as a unit of length is not invariable. Okay, now availability, the standard unit should be easily made available for comparing with other quantities. Okay student, these are two properties. These are two properties for any standard unit. Okay student, now thank you for this, एंड हम नेक्स्ट क्लास इवनिंग में करेंगे. ओके स्टूडेंट, थैंक यू, मोस्ट वेलकम फॉर दिस.